Babasheen is an online persona active on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, focusing on shoutouts, promotions, fitness, and motivational content. The TikTok account at Babasheen has approximately 1,900 followers and 3,800 likes, but currently lacks published videos. The Instagram profile at Babasheen shares content related to promotions and motivational themes, often featuring collaborations with other influencers. For instance, posts have highlighted personalities such as at Ellie2Dope and at Papa Party Girl. Additionally, the YouTube channel Babasheen offers content centered around shoutouts, promotions, fitness, and motivation. Despite this online activity, specific personal details about the individual behind Babasheen, such as her real name, background, or personal life, are not publicly disclosed. This anonymity is common among online personas who prefer to keep their private lives separate from their public profiles.